Hey guys, this is Coach Arnie, and I wanted to give you a little update on my R5 at 65. This past weekend, I completed a 40-mile desert hike, which was part of my program. I knew that between now and November, I would have to get in a 40-mile effort, which I like to say mimics the bottom, the box at the canyon, really from Phantom Ranch to Manzanita, which is about 9 miles. So in my head, I like to always go on a 20-mile hike prior to an R3. So this time around, I wanted to do at least 40 miles in the desert. But the fact is, I live in Phoenix, and it's July, so you can only imagine that it was rather hot, and it was over 100 for a lot of it, and then it dropped into the low 90s, upper 80s maybe, and then back up into the low hundreds as I was finishing. But the point of all that is that it's part of the process. I have another R3 to go probably in about a month, and that will kind of complete my training package as far as what I need to do, because my philosophy is I can double anything that I can do in training. I should be able to double. That's my mindset that I have used for many years and that I teach. But at the same time, if I don't get these benchmarks in, mentally it's hard for me, but physically too, because those are physical benchmarks that I need to hit in order to be ready to achieve an R5 at 65. And then on top of that, my strength training that I'm doing on a regular basis, that's the key to be strong, especially as we get older. The stronger we are, we can maintain posture, we can do all the important things that when we're younger that we can kind of take advantage of. But right now, I don't have that option. I have to be strong, and I have to hit certain benchmarks, and I have to really have my nutrition dialed in, and my weight. I'm also trying to lose a few pounds. I'm down probably a good 10 pounds, and I'll be dropping maybe another 10 pounds, and that's going to make me feel a little even better. So all this is just kind of the training package, the training program as far as my journey. So I just want to give you guys an update. It is going to be August 1st tomorrow. So as of this video, I am right on schedule. I feel really good. And part of that is getting and staying healthy, following through, staying focused, and always keep my eye on the prize, which is an R5 at 65. I love you guys. And if you see this video and you have questions for me, you can always get a hold of me. You can always call me at 602-390-9144. Hop on some of these Grand Canyon groups. The Grand Canyon Hiker Dude is a great show, and it's also a great Facebook group to be involved in. Plus, there's plenty of other great Facebook groups as well that I'm participating in. And I love you guys, and just want to give you an update. Bye.